Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as you guys can see on the screens, today we are going to play with the cable ties. So actually this is kind of a hack basically. So what we're gonna do is, as you guys can see, there are two cable ties which are connected to each other over here. And if you decide that you want this cable tie back and you want to save this long cable tie as well, so what you can do is, now I'm going to tell you a hack. So what you can do is, as you guys already see, if you have already cut this thing from this long cable tie, you can still use the part which you have already cut. So how you can use it, you just need to put the part which you have already cut over the cable tie and try to convince it to go in like this. Excuse me, like this. So now if you guys can see, it's already fitted in there. What you're gonna do is push it inwards, little bit of struggle like this, like that, and then when you can see the both parts are out from this side, just pull them out like this. And what you're gonna do is just hold the part which you just inserted in, and then remove the old cable tie which is hard to remove. So that's it. That's how you can remove the cable tie, and you will put it over here and then pull out this thing so easily. So what you did is, you have saved this whole cable tie. So this will not save you much money, but it will save you at least a penny. So I guess I've rediscovered this life hack, so I must share this with you guys. So if you guys learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And yeah, one more thing, there are actually 88% of the people who watch my videos but they aren't subscribed. So it's a request to you guys, it will just take a millisecond, so kindly subscribe to my channel, it will help me a lot. And yeah, that's it, that's my request. Kindly please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye.